So HTTPS or SSL certificate, what is it? It's a certificate that you will install on your website, and it will tell people, users, and search consoles that your website is secure. You have paid attention that, for example, you write the URL of a website, and at the left side of it, you'll see it's a green lock, or a text will become green, the color will change and become green. It means that this website is secure, right? So in search result, from SEO perspective, if you have a SSL certificate, if your website is secured, you will have a better chance to rank higher in the search result, right? So this is something that it is important and you have to follow. Also, beside that, the users that will visit your website will feel better, they will feel safer. So this is something important that you should do. Now, how you can accomplish this? First of all, depending on what web service you are using. For example, my website is on GoDaddy. I can go there on their website and search for SSL certificates. And as you can see, here are the SSL certificates that they have. For example, it starts from $60 per year up to, for example, $300 per year, right? 300, almost 400. And they have different type of SSL certificates. But you may say, all right, I don't have a budget for this. If you search in Google, you can find some other organizations that simply they will provide a free SSL certificate. For example, if you search on YouTube for how to get a free SSL certificate and install it on GoDaddy, you will find a video, a tutorial that will teach you from which website get a free SSL certification and install it on your website. But there are some complications. For example, some of them only last for 3 months and you have to renew them over and over yourself, right? These are some you may have to follow up some instructions. It may be a little bit difficult, but right, it is free. Here you have to pay for it, but it will do the job itself. And there are some different type on SSL certificates, right? So that was all on SSL certificates. They are important. Do them, just follow up on them. And if you have any problem with them, if you have any challenges, you couldn't accomplish them, depending on the web service that you are using, you can always come to me, ask me a question, and I will answer them. I will be with you as soon as possible, right? So that was all about HTTPS or SSL certificate. And one thing I forgot to mention, if you don't know it, normally your website is HTTP. When you install SSL certificate on your website, it will become HTTPS. And don't forget, you have to go back to Google Search Console and install your property with HTTPS. All right. So that was all about this lecture. On the next part, we are going to talk about something pretty much interesting, which is called data highlighter. Let's go for the next one.